Hello students, good afternoon. So today we are going to discuss some of the questions regarding the concept called as polymer. So as you already know that polymers are nothing but these are in general we are going to call them as plastics, or you can call them as monomer units. Now, so today I am going to discuss some questions regarding polymer concept. As I have already discussed the theoretical part in the regular classes, so as I was left with only with a discussion of questions, so today I am going to discuss those questions. Okay? Without wasting any time, let me go with the first question. Yes. Which one of the following statement is not true? That is not correct. A. Buna-S is a copolymer of butadiene and styrene. Second one. Natural rubber is a 1,4 polymer of isoprene. In vulcanization, the formation of sulfur bridges between different chains make rubber harder and stronger. Natural rubbers has the trans conformation as at every double bond. So, out of this, option D is wrong, because natural rubber has cis conformation, mainly configuration mainly will be there. Okay, cis conformation mainly will be there. Okay, for that reason, which one of the following statement is not true? D option is not true. Next question. Next question. Structure of same common polymers are given. Which one is not correctly presented? So some of the structures has been given right there. Which one is not correct, that we need to find out. Okay. So now, first one, Teflon. CF2, single bond CF2. So initially it will be double bond. When it is going to form a polymer, the bond will shift as a chain form. So it is correct. Neoprene, CH2, C double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond CH2, Cl. Terylene, terephthalic acid is there. Correct. It is correct. So now, what about nylon 6? Nylon 6. Adipic acid and hexamethylene diamonds, everything is correct right here. So in this structure, so here the wrong structure is neoprene, because in neoprene it is but, that is 4 carbons will be there. Right now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. So this one is wrong. So answer for this option is structure of the same common polymers are given. Which one is not correct means neoprene is not correct. So next question. Let me go with next question. Next question. Which of the following, which one is classified as a polyester polymer? So polyester is nothing but cloth, we are going to say. So which one of the following is a polyester polymer? Bakelite, it is not a polyester polymer because it is used in switchboards. Melamine, it is also not polymers, which is used in mainly cookware. Nylon 66 and terylene. Out of this, terylene is what we are going to call it as polyester polymer. Okay, nylon 66 is not a polyester polymer. Terylene is a polyester polymer, we need to say. Next one. Which of the following statement is false? Option A, nylon 66 is an example of elastomer. B, the repeat unit in natural rubber is isoprene. It is correct. Artificial silk is derived from cellulose. It is also correct. Both starch and cellulose are polymers of glucose. It is also correct. Then the wrong answer out of this is, false answer is first one. Nylon 66 is not an example of elastomer. It is not an example of elastomer. Okay, so because it is going to act like a copolymers. It is not an elastomer. Okay, now as it is a copolymer, so it is not considered under elastomer conditions. Okay. Or you can also consider nylon 66 comes under mode of synthesis. Okay, process. So elastomer is not under the mode of synthesis. It is a type of structure classification. It mainly related with type of structure, but it related with mode of synthesis. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following is not a condensation polymer? Condensation polymer: glycerol, Dacron, neoprene, and melamine. Out of this, which one of the following is not a condensation polymer? You guys just think about this answer and let me know about this. Okay, you take your time and try to find out the answer for this. Okay, did you find the answer for this? See here, glycerol, Dacron and melamines are condensation polymers, whereas neoprene is a addition polymer. So the answer for this is, which one of the following is not a condensation polymer? So answer for this is neoprene. Neoprene. Okay. Next question. Next question. Nylon is an example of. Nylon is an example of, as we already discussed, it's not an example of polyester. It is not an example of polysaccharide because it is not a carbohydrate. It is not an example of polythene. So it is an example of what? Polyamide, due to the presence of which linkage? Amide linkage. Okay? Due to the presence of amide linkage. So nylon is an example of polyamide. It's not, it doesn't come under polyester. It's not a carbohydrate. It's not a polythene. So answer is polyamide. So let me go with next example. Sixth question we have completed so far. Now I am going with seventh question. Now, which is the monomer of neoprene in the following? Which is the monomer of the neoprene in the following? So to remember this, whichever the carbon that is attached with chlorine or in which the chlorine is directly attached to a carbon, secondary carbons or a tertiary carbon, so that we are going to consider it as a monomer of neoprene. Out of this, in neither in A nor in B nor in C, chlorine is present, whereas in case of D, the chlorine is present, which is attached to from right side tertiary, from right side secondary carbon. Okay, so it is attached to this carbon. Okay, so you can say, so for this reason we are going to say in whichever monomer there is a presence of chlorine molecule, chlorine atom which is directly attached to a carbon, so we are going to call it as a monomer of neoprene. Next question. Which of the following organic compound polymerizes to form polyester decron? Polyester decron. So as you already know that decron is mainly formed with the presence of terephthalic acid. Out of this, A is a benzoic acid and ethanol, wrong. C is propyleno and para alcoholic C6H4 OH compound, and benzoic and para OH C6H4 OH compound, that is bakelite you can consider. So out of this, in neither in A nor in C nor in D there is a monomer of terephthalic acid, whereas in B there is a monomer of terephthalic acid. So which of the following organic compounds polymerizes to form the polyester or decron is, the answer for this is terephthalic acid. Next one. Which one one second. Okay. Which one of the following is an example of thermosetting polymer? So after heating, once they are going to become soft and they are going to take a certain structure, they are permanent. So those are called as thermosetting. So not this PVC polyvinyl chloride, no. Not this one, neoprene. So this is bakelite. Bakelite is possible, and this is nylon 66. No. So answer is bakelite. So this is the example of bakelite. So answer is C, which is a thermosetting polymer, which are mainly used in the manufacture of switchboards. Now, next one. 10th question. Biodegradable polymers which can be produced from glycine and amino capric acid is bunyl. No, because we require 1,3-butadiene, whereas PHBB, no. Nylon 66, no. So answer for this is nylon 2, nylon 6. And one more thing you remember, nylon 2, nylon 6 is a very good example for biodegradable polymers which undergo degradation after some time naturally. So next one. Caprolactam is used in the manufacture of what? Nor in nylon 66, nor in Teflon, nor in toluene or decron, because terephthalic acid is needed, whereas nylon 66 hexamethylene diamine is needed. So only option we are left with is nylon 6. So caprolactam is mainly used in the manufacture of nylon 6. So from this topic you can expect some direct questions. Okay, that is the benefit of this topic called as polymers. Next question. Now, natural rubber has option A cis configuration, option B trans configuration, option C alternate cis and trans configuration, option D cis and trans configuration. So for this you need to find out the answer. I'm going to give this question as a homework for you, because already I have discussed this question in previous example. So I am going to give this example as a homework. You try yourself and let me know the answer for this question. Next one. Next question. Which of the following structure represents nylon 66? So wherever you are going to get hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid component, that is what you're going to call it as nylon 66. It's not here, not here. Okay, one second. Let me scroll it up. Not here, no. So NH2 group should be there. So NH group is present right here, and COH group should be there. So out of this, not here, not here. So that means, so option is C. Nylon 66 structure is option C, which is a direct question. Okay. Next question. Nor here you got COH group is there, but it's not under bonding process. Okay. Now, regarding the cross-linked or network polymer, which of the following statement is correct? Examples are option A. Examples are bakelite and melanine. Option B. They are formed by bifunctional and trifunctional group. They contain covalent bond between various linear polymer chain. They contain strong covalent bond in their polymer chain. So the answer for this is, you remember, cross-linked and network polymers are only possible with bi and trifunctional monomers. So answer is B. Next, the biodegradable polymer is not nylon 66, not nylon 6, not buna-S. So the answer is nylon 2, nylon 6. So these are some of the direct questions that have been appeared and that have been asked in various exams. Okay, so I have discussed about polymers today. So most of the questions you are going to get from polymer is direct questions. So no need to worry much about this. Once you are well versed with the theoretical concept, you can answer directly. Okay, they are not going to ask you to draw some structures. I mean, not to draw some what are you going to say, applied concepts. They are going to ask you some basic questions only that are related to polymers only. So these are some of the questions regarding polymers, and so far I have discussed all these questions now, and I have given this example as homework for you, and already I have discussed that concept in previous example also. So you need to solve that. So these are the questions that are going to appear in case of some of the entrance exams which are listed out. Okay, so this is about polymer topic. In the next class we are going to discuss one more new topic. So thank you so much. Thank you.